Alright, let's be real. You want to be funny. Not just Uncle at Thanksgiving funny, but actually make people snort water out of their nose funny. You've come to the right place, because in the next 3 minutes, I'm giving you the ultimate crash course on how to level up your humor game so high. Even your ex will say, wait, did they get funnier? Let's go. First up, observation is king. You don't need to be a comedian, you just need to be a little weird, in the right way. Funny people notice everything. That fly buzzing around the office? Boom. Even the fly's trying to escape this 9 to 5. Start looking at the world like it's a sitcom, and you're the star and the laugh track. Next, timing is everything. Here's the secret. It's not just the joke, it's when you drop it. Too early? It's awkward. Too late? Grandpa already fell asleep. Get that perfect pause. Say the line, let it breathe. Let the room simmer in the suspense. And then, boom. Punchline. Like a comedic ninja. Third, be self-aware and learn to take a joke yourself. Funny people don't act perfect. They weaponize their weirdness. Big forehead, more room for sarcasm. Bad at sports. I play dodgeball by standing still and accepting fate. When you make fun of yourself first, no one else can use it against you, and it makes you instantly relatable. Just be sure you don't insult yourself in a serious way. Step 4, exaggerate everything. Mildly annoyed? No. You were more betrayed than Simba when Mufasa died. Kinda hungry? No. You were one sandwich away from full villain origin story. Funny equals exaggeration, plus emotion, plus confidence. Say it with your chest. Finally, steal like an artist. Ethically. Watch stand-up, binge sitcoms, follow funny people. Then, don't copy, but study how they build jokes, pause, twist expectations. Your brain is a sponge. Fill it with funny water. So remember, notice the weird stuff, master your timing, laugh at yourself, crank up the drama, learn from the greats, and most importantly, be your own flavor of funny. Not everyone will get it, but the right people will love it. Now go forth, young chuckle warrior, and bring the funny. Just, maybe not during funerals or dentist appointments. Timing, remember?